don't give a damn how much money you make off of me.
I just took a risk and spent my rent money and booked an appointment with Erica Tay.
I stopped paying my bills.
Alright, I wasn't planning on doing a video today, but I came across some interesting clips, and by interesting, I mean ridiculous. It's kind of a dollar store variety pack of people treating common sense like an optional add-on. Like and subscribe.
The Tacoma, I don't use all cash. Y'all brother just put a few thousand down and finance the rest and build my credit back up. That'd be the educated way to do it.
I was gonna say that would be the way you want to do it.
Yeah, that's the way I do it. And I'm telling you, they pay me every week. So if I do that deal this week, I have the money by next week. That's the conversation I'm gonna have with him coming in there doing. I don't give a damn how much money you make off of me. You hear me? Whatever y'all got to mark up to, that's what it's gonna be. I ain't negotiating.
He calls this the educated way to buy the truck, but the educated way usually involves doing some math before giving up. A down payment can help and financing can rebuild credit, but letting the dealer make whatever they want shouldn't be part of the lesson. That's not education, that's tuition.
You just tell me what you gonna sell it for, I'm gonna buy it. Ain't nobody else telling you that when they walk in the door. Everybody else come in and negotiate.
Yeah, hey, make my job a little bit easier.
I'm making good money. Why can't I give you your commission? That's stupid. And I'm a preacher too. That ain't good teaching right there. I'm supposed to be cared about the people that come to me. Because I'm for the wounded. Because I've been wounded. I know what it feels like to be crushed and hurt. And that's real talk right there.
That is real talk.
Tomorrow I'll be up there.
All right, I'll see you tomorrow then.
He says he makes good money, so why not give the guy his commission? It's very generous. But most people negotiate against a dealer. He's negotiating for him. He called in to buy a truck and somehow joined the sales team. The only thing missing is the employee discount he definitely won't ask for.
It'll run the batteries.
Why?
Did I tell you I wasn't going to be able to make the car payment?
You was?
That I'm not going to be able to?
You never make a car payment.
Yes, I do.
Bullshit.
Well, I can't make it this month, at least.
You don't make it no month.
Not this month.
You have not made it no months. We've had the damn thing 2 years. You ain't made the first one.
No, well, I can't make it this month for sure.
Well, great for you, honey. No surprise.
There's a point where a missed payment stops being a surprise and just becomes part of the household routine. No spreadsheets come out, no emergency plan gets made. He has the tone of a man who already factored this into the month, right next to groceries, gas, and disappointment.
I just took a risk and spent my rent money and booked an appointment with Erica Tay. I feel like getting my hair done by Erica Tay is an opportunity in itself. And I'm also trying to get accepted into streaming university, so no risk, no reward. It's like manifestation. If I book now and I go get my hair done, university, here I come.
Now, I'm not sure if this clip is real, but using rent money for hair and calling it an opportunity is hard to defend. Because rent usually comes with its own opportunity. The opportunity to keep living inside. And once the money is gone, the opportunity changes quickly. Now, the hair is current, but the rent is past due.
I take all my bills seriously, but the one bill that's not serious to me is a phone bill. Why am I going to pay you to use my phone? At this point, y'all have made me dependent on the phone. I need a phone to get around. I need a phone to make my little videos. I just need a phone. So my mom has been paying my bill since I was 13 years old, a little tight. I'm not now going to assume the responsibility of paying my phone bill. That's too grown for me. And I don't care. You could be like, oh my God, you almost 30. She going to pay your phone bill? Absolutely. Did you just hear me say that?
She's 30 and her mom still pays her phone bill. You can call it whatever you want. Help, convenience, family support. But if mom controls the bill, mom controls the service. And if mom controls the data plan, you're just one argument away from using Wi-Fi at Starbucks.
I'm not paying that phone bill. I will get married and transfer the phone bill into my husband's name before I pay that bill. It's just not going to get paid. I will get a beeper on my hip before I pay that phone bill. Y'all will have to boop, 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 beat me on my hip. Paying a phone bill in my eyes is like getting a mortgage. Like, you just too grown for me. Like, chill out, relax. Like, you taking life too seriously, bro.
The phone bill is so unwanted that marriage is being discussed as an escape route. Not love, not commitment, just a new account holder. That's an impressive level of bill avoidance. Most people dodge phone calls. She's dodging adulthood.
Okay, I need to have a chat, just very quick one, about adults, about being an adult, because I am not having a good time. I don't want to be an adult. I am still living as if I'm that 14-year-old little emo girl because I haven't grown up. And now I have my own flat. I put up my own Christmas tree. I have to pay bills and I don't enjoy it. I want to go back to being a little emo kid with nothing to think about and just being sad all the time because of the lyrics of the music of the bands that I listen to. That's what I want.
Adult life is expensive, and the worst part is how normal it eventually feels. Rent takes the first swing, insurance follows with an uppercut, and the phone bill steps in for the cheap shot. So I understand not enjoying adulthood. It can be a lot of responsibility for someone who wants to dress up as a mascot.
So about a year ago, I kind of had a nervous breakdown and stopped participating in capitalism. And what I mean by that is like, I stopped paying my bills and stopped giving a shit about my credit score that I had been working years and years and years to fix, because as I paid more and more, they were like, penalty. And so I was like, you know what? I don't even care. I just stopped. And like, now I'm getting all these things in the mail where they're like, you owe us money. And I'm like, prove it.
The bills do not care what the reason is. You can call it a protest, you can call it a personal decision, you can call it whatever makes it sound better. The account still goes past due because the people owed the money tend to focus on that part.
And my credit score is somehow going up. It's like, we see all the hard work you've done at ignoring this, so like, we're gonna give you points, because that's, I think, how it really works. So anyway, I guess the point is, none of this is real. We're on a big floating rock in the middle of, you know, the universe. And it's all made up and the points don't matter. You're doing great.
We're on a floating rock. I think she may have got hit in the head with a rock. Bills are real and credit scores drop when you don't pay them. You can stop participating if you want, but the bills still know where she lives and her credit report will always remember her name.
I'm not paying my student loans. The government keeps threatening all these things they're going to do to people if they don't pay their student loans. I don't think they realize we don't care. We don't have enough to care. We don't care about credit scores anymore. We don't care if you siphon our paychecks. We're just going to quit and move on to the next company, because that company was probably going to fire us anyway. People don't stay at jobs like they used to. People aren't locked in to a job they have to stay at.
Student loans are apparently optional now. Credit score not a concern, paycheck being garnished also not a concern, because if they take it from her pay, she'll quit. It's a great plan as long as every future employer forgets payroll exists.
For 35 years because they're getting a pension and great benefits. Those things don't happen anymore. So if you threaten to siphon people's paychecks, they're just going to quit and go to another company, because that company was probably going to go bankrupt anyway and fire everybody in the next couple months. This is going to be so much work for the government to siphon paychecks, and it's not going to get them enough money. They're going to end up losing money because they're going to have to hire thousands of people to try and get this money from people that don't have it.
There is always time to explain why the bills are not getting paid. Time to film it, time to post it, time to sit there and make the case. Eventually that time has to turn into money, because the bill is not going to wait for the explanation to go viral.
Capitalism has made almost everything better. More access to food than ever before. More access to resources, medical care than ever before. And by the way, yes, get sick, go to the emergency room. It's fine.
Be in financial debt, go homeless.
Dude, medical debt, do you know the impact of medical debt? It's almost nothing.
I don't have insurance.
Brother, the impact on medical debt, there's almost a reason why we don't allow people with medical debt on the show. It's because it almost has no impact on people's lives.
Then why are they sending bills to babies?
Medical debt is a real problem. Getting sick shouldn't come with a payment plan and a panic attack. But blaming capitalism for medical debt is a little too simple. Capitalism is also why people build things, open businesses, and create jobs. So the medical bill can still be ridiculous. But acting like capitalism only creates a problem and nothing else is pretty convenient.
And guess what? If they don't pay it, almost nothing will happen. That is the actual reality. If they don't pay it, almost no consequence.
Is that our financial advice? Don't pay?
For medical debt? I mean, I would rather pay because, like, if you're looking to get a car or something, it could be a little impacting. But other than that, it is the least impactful debt. And going through bankruptcy is honestly almost not even a hassle.
So it's something that you just declare. I declare bankruptcy.
Wonderful.
I'm not even going to comment on not paying your medical bills, because luckily I don't have to deal with that. We don't get a bill, which probably sounds great, but our system isn't perfect either. We won't get destroyed by the invoice, but we'll probably finish healing before the appointment shows up.
It takes only $27.40 a day to waste $10,000 in a year. Let that sink in. Because that scared me. But let's flip it around. Let's make this a good thing. You save $27.40 a day. You're saving $10,000 in a year. Now, if you're like me, you get paid every 2 weeks. That is about $370, $380 a paycheck. That's pretty doable. 2026 is about making some money moves, and this is the next one for me, so maybe it'll be the next one for you.
That amount might not be doable for everyone, but the point is the same. Saving a bit every day or every paycheck adds up. It doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to look impressive. It just has to happen. Because small amounts saved consistently still beat big plans that never start. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.